Hello everyone! 안녕하세요. Welcome to Blossom Korean. So like the name of this channel, like here we are going to learn Korean language together and blossom our Korean language skills. Okay, then are you ready? Good. And then first, today we are going to learn several vowels and consonants of Hangul. In Korean alphabets, there are 19 consonants and 21 vowels. But today we are going to learn first the 8 single vowels in Korean language. So then, are you ready to study? Great. Then let's study together. So then first, let's practice this single vowels. The first vowel sounds this one. Ah. Ah. Right. Simply saying it just pronounced ah. For example, in English, when we say father, ah, that vowel sounds is like this ah sound, ah. And the second one is aw. Aw. So when we say like some, the second one is aw. And then the next one is o. 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 Please look at the lips. O. So as you can see, my lips are sticking out. O. And then here, it's not O, okay? It's not English. Let's try to make the most pure sound. O. O. And then the next one is oo. Ooh. So basically, the shape of the lips are the same, right? So ooh, ooh, ooh. And then the next one is ooh, ooh. Yes. When it comes to English, there's no sound ooh, as I know, right? So in the case, there is a tip. When we say good, okay, good. Please try to smile as well, which is like good. Okay, that good, that yeah, sound is this one, and then the next one is e, 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 right, and then the next one is e, e. And the last vowel is also, actually, it is pronounced as as well. So the last two vowels, they're actually pronounced in the same way, which is e, e, e. Good job. Then, shall we practice one more time? Please repeat after me. Ah, o, o, u, e, e, e. Good job. So then from now on, we are going to put iung. Yeah, so this round one is called iung. It does not have any sound. Later, we are going to learn consonants, and then when it comes to consonant, then kind of each one has their own sound, but this iung is empty one. When we write Korean word, then we use this iung. So now let's make word with this iung together. So then, iung plus a, iung plus or like this. We are going to combine this iung and this like vowel together. So then, yeah, let's also practice this one. So simply saying it sounds exactly the same as we practiced before. So then, yeah, watching this word, and then shall we practice one more time? Let's practice. Please repeat after me. Let's go. A, o, o, u, e, e, e. Good job. These are the words. So then, now if you can read, and then we should also know how we can write as well, right? So this time, let's practice writing part. So then, do you have any paper around you right now? Can you find any pen or pencils, next to you? Let's practice writing this time. And then actually, I want you to have your own notebook for practicing Korean. So for example, around me, there is some white notebook and also, yeah, the pink notebook or even the, yeah, quite cool navy color notebook as well. So I want you to have your own Korean notebook so we can, yeah, blossom in Korean together. Okay, then let's try to write down these vowels together. So let's write down. First is ah. Ah. And then oh. Okay. And then o. 1, 2, 2, o. U. O. Okay. Like this. And simple, right? E. Okay, and then 2a. 1, 2, 3. A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. And other A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is the way to write these vowels. Okay. A, O, O, U, 1, 2, 3, like this. E, A, E. Okay. So absolutely, you can take your own time. Please try to have enough time. And then absolutely, you can also write this thing slowly as well. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 1, 2. 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right? 2, 3. Like this. This time, let's practice. So yeah, with this words then quiz. Please try to read these words. E. This is e, good. And then how about this? O, good. And how about this? E, great. And ah, good. And this one. Great. And and oo, and this one is e. Good job. If you can read all these words, then really good job. Okay, then now it's going to be a slightly upgraded version. How can you read? This one is I. Can you repeat after me? I is child in Korean language. So you can say that to your Korean friend. You can say that, hey, there is a child. Then you can say, hey, there is I. Okay, good. And then, how about this one? Oi. Right, this one is oi. What is oi in Korean language? Oi is cucumber. Right, cucumber is oi. Oi. In the kids, if you have your Korean friend around, you can use this oi, which is like, do you like oi or not? Okay, good. And then the last one is this one. Can you read? Yes, that is a. So yeah, it's just like our English like alphabet. That is a. Okay, good. So then so far, yeah, we have practiced these 8 single vowels in Korean language. So let's move on to these 자음 consonants.